All right, number 24. It is. It reads really difficult. I don't like this problem. So it's been one of those that, if the kid gets it right, wow. Because the way it reads, I don't like how it reads. I have red cards, orange cards, yellow cards, green cards, and then for each color, there's 10 cards. Right, so there's 10 red, there's 10 orange, there's 10 yellow, and then there's 10 green. So you're going to have something over 40 or something like that that you're going to be having to be multiplying times over here. So, and then there in each one, like the set of the 10 red, you have a 0, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, and a 9 red card. Same thing for orange, yellow, and green. So it wants to know what's probably going to be getting a red card, which will be uh, 10 out of the 40 cards you pick, right? Because there's 40. And if you can see this 10 over 40, it's 1/4. And you're going to multiply it times, well, what? Well, you're going to put that red card back in, and you're going to select a 0. And there's a 0 in each of the 4 colors, right? There's a 0 red, a 0 orange, a 0 yellow, and a 0 green. Well, that's 4 out of the whole thing, which is what? 40. So I know my answer is going to be A. And here it's up to you as a student how you see it. If you see that, you multiply straight across, great. A lot of my students don't see that, so they're going to get that 1/4 times. Simplify that fraction. That becomes what? 1/10. I can divide by 4. Divide by 4 and get 1/10. Now you multiply that across, it's 1/40, and you get 1/40 again. Not an easy one. If you missed this one, I understand why. It reads very weird. You have to really understand how it's set up, and then do the math. The multiplication stuff and the little simplifying stuff, that's your 5th and 4th grade mathematics. So that part, hopefully you got down. But it's one of the harder ones in my opinion. I don't know, and I can tell you right now how we did as a state on this. Not a state, as a district. I look at number 24, 30%, 30.33. 3 out of 10 kids got the right answer, which means 7 out of 10 got the wrong answer, and I understand why. It's just a poorly worded test problem. But when you go through it and you break it down slowly, you can understand it. But good luck on this one. It's going to be over here. But